In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of creating a BingX account step by step. Even if you're completely new to cryptocurrency exchanges, you can easily follow along and set up your account in just a few minutes. To get started, download and open the BingX app. Once the app launches, the registration page will appear automatically. Before entering your email address, make sure to enter the referral code displayed on the screen. You can also find the code in the video description and simply copy and paste it into the app. Using this referral code allows you to receive up to a 45% discount on trading fees, along with additional bonus rewards and promotions. After entering the referral code, type in your email address and tap the Sign Up button. Complete the puzzle verification, then check your email inbox for the verification code sent by BingX. Enter the code into the app, create a strong password, and press Sign Up Now to complete your registration. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification in order to access full trading features on BingX. This process usually takes around 7 minutes and requires a government-issued ID card or passport. Tap the Verify button, select your country of residence, and choose the identification document you want to use. Allow camera access and take a clear photo of your ID. Once the photo is uploaded, you'll also need to complete a selfie verification by following the on-screen instructions carefully. After submission, BingX will review your identity verification. In most cases, the review is completed within an hour. Once approved, you'll see a verified badge displayed in your account profile. For better account protection, it's highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication. Go to the Security Center and open the Google Authenticator section. Download and install the Google Authenticator app on your phone, then return to BingX and tap Next. Copy the setup key provided by BingX. Open the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon, and choose the option to enter a setup key.